Welcome everyone to another video. Today, or this week, is all about trying to get my life back together and get back into routine. I was just over the weekend at the Australian Grand Prix at the F1. That was so fun, but definitely like leading up to the F1 and being there, slipped out of routine. Haven't been doing my shit, so trying to get back into that. Also, low-key want to try doing 75 soft. For those who don't know, I did try to do 75 hard at the start of this year and failed. I know, shock horror. I have my breakfast here. I've got Greek yogurt, granola, frozen raspberries, and a chocolate protein pudding thing. And this is such a good breakfast. I want to start waking up at 6. My alarm went off at 6 today, snoozed it. Got up at 6:15, snoozed it again. 6:30, snoozed again. I got up at 6:45, which isn't bad because it's within the hour of 6, but like I want to be getting up at 6 because I've been loving a slow morning. A while back, I had a major crash out, real bad crash out. And after that crash out, I don't know, I was getting up so fucking early. I was like doing my morning routine, all this shit. I was really on top of my crap for like a week and I felt really good. And then I've slowly been slipping since that crash out and like just waking up later or being like, oh no, I'm just gonna let myself sleep in. And I go away again soon. I think it's just over a month and I'm going like away for a week. I leave on the 20th of April and today's the 18th of March. It's just over a month and I'm going away again. So for this month I need to like have my shit together, you know, so I can enjoy my week away and not feel guilty or stressed. All right, I just got off work and we are going to the gym because to get back into routine, I need to start going to the gym every single day, especially if like attempting sort of 75 soft. I'm gonna hit that car. So like, you know, we just want to be on our shit. I have 1 month to be on my shit before I go away. Holy dooly, it's hot. It was so fucking cold this morning and now it's hot. We're gonna head to the gym. We're hitting back and abs today. Technically back, buys and abs, but we don't really focus on buys. Buys just happen to also like come along with the back. Just changed my workout routine, I guess, my workout split, so that I'm doing, instead of doing the Stairmaster every day, Monday to Friday, like at the end of every workout, I'm going to do Stairmaster Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and abs Tuesday, Thursday. Tuesday and Thursday are my little more like work days, if that makes sense. Like I work in the morning and then I have about a 3-hour gap and then I work in the afternoon. And if I'm working out for an hour and a half in that between, I only have an hour and a half to do other stuff. And for example, I upload on Thursdays. So if I don't have my shit together at the start of the week, or my start of the week is really busy, it means that I'm not doing my editing and I'm like stressed on a Thursday to get my video up. We change it so we're only doing 45-minute to an hour workouts on Tuesday and Thursday. I think that'll just calm everything a little bit and make me not hate going to the gym on those days, because sometimes I will skip the gym on a Tuesday and a Thursday. I did almost all of my exercises. I have an appointment, so I literally could only be at the gym until 1. At 1 I had to leave. I just parked and I'm about to go to my appointment. But no, it felt good to be back in the gym. I haven't been since Monday last week and it's Tuesday, so I haven't been in over a week to the gym. So it felt good. I did 2 chin-ups today. Not to brag or anything, but I did 2 chin-ups. The day is like basically over. I just got home from work. I'm having dinner. I need to say a big thank you to my mum. She made dinner tonight. I do still live at home. Most nights she cooks dinner. God bless. Tonight is pasta and garlic bread. So good. Hopefully I won't be living at home too much longer. It is what it is. It's kind of like I either have to pick traveling, seeing the world, exploring, or moving out of home at the moment. Like I don't make enough money to be able to do both. So at the moment I'm definitely choosing travel. But yeah, I'm gonna eat dinner, shower, bed, basically. Good morning. We have had zero routine last night and this morning. That's really bad. Anyways, I'm making my lunch for work. I'm just having leftovers from last night. Some pasta and mince. I'm really annoyed with myself for like not forcing myself to do stuff and just like, anyways, it's fine. I think the sickness from that I probably picked up on Sunday is starting to hit from being wet and cold for multiple hours at the F1, but it's fine. I should probably take a snack or something because I always get hungry at work and then I snack in a lolly jar and that's like not ideal. I am taking a C4 energy drink to have after work before the gym. This is the strawberry watermelon ice one. There we go. And I have my pre-workout gummies. I don't really know if they do anything, but they also have creatine in them, so. I'm about to sound so ungrateful. I'm not ungrateful. Thank you so much to my mother for, ow, that's hot, for making me some dinner tonight. But normally on Wednesdays, I have breakfast for dinner. Like everyone will have burgers or something. Not my vibe. So I come home and I make myself some delicious bacon and eggs on toast. I worked an 8-hour shift today. Not a split shift, it was a full day. And then I just went to the gym. Now the gym is always so busy between like 5 and 7. So I don't vlog because it's scary. And I'm like squeezing myself in a little corner to do my workouts. Before I do the rest of my night routine, I'm gonna quickly meal prep breakfast for the next 2 days. Just because the breakfast I was literally having one of these. These are delicious. But it is 200 calories and that's it. And then the breakfast I have been having is like one of these 100 grams of yogurt, granola, and berries, which is about 500 calories. Which I'm not saying is bad, but I'm a snacker. I need a snack during the day. So if I have like 3 meals that are 500 calories, that's like 1500 calories gone. So I'm gonna try, I have had them before, but I'm gonna do the overnight Weet-Bix. People say they're about 300 because 2 Weet-Bix is 117 and then this is 200, so that's 317. And then I'll add frozen berries in the morning. When I add some raspberries on top, these are gonna look even better. But this literally just looks like chocolate. So excited. Good morning, guys. I had my little breakfast. I've been really struggling this week to like get out of bed or just to wake up in general. My alarm went off at 6 and I just like snoozed the whole until 7. It was real bad. But I think it's because I know I could sleep until 8:30 and still have enough time to like get ready and go to work. I'd be rushing, but I'd have enough time, and I think like that's in my head. I need to remember or be reminded on how much I like a slow morning. I don't know, but yeah. I'm gonna sit in bed and eat my breakfast. This is today's little gym fit. Pink and grey, always look good together. Yeah, this whole fit's from Shorty, obviously. Shorty breakfast I am. Alright, I'm getting ready for bed because I have such a big day. Fridays for work are my biggest days, which sucks because it's the last day of the week. But no, Friday's my big 10-hour shift. I actually am finishing a half an hour earlier tomorrow night than normal. So I'm finishing at 6:30 instead of 7, which is very exciting. One of my privates has cancelled, but it's currently 9:40 and I have to like be asleep or like almost asleep by 10 because I have to get up at 6 a.m. tomorrow. I have so much to do before work. Like, not only do I have to do my normal morning routine, I need to pack a bag to stay at Troubles in case I stay at Troubles tomorrow night. And that means packing a bag of clothes for the entire weekend, packing spare gym clothes, packing like so much. I actually probably should ask if I'm where I'm getting ready, because my brother's birthday is on Saturday. We're going out for dinner, so I'm gonna need my makeup, so I don't have to take my whole entire makeup back. Anyways, it's a whole thing. I have my Apple Watch on. Yes, I sleep with my Apple Watch on because it tracks my sleep. It's only something new I've been doing. I was like, do I take my Apple Watch charger? Because normally I don't, and I just let my Apple Watch die, but I'm really trying to get on that sleep tracking shit, although I will not be wearing it. Or maybe, I don't know. I don't fucking know what I'm doing with my life right now. I have like 20 minutes until I have to leave for work, and there I did not pre-make lunch today. So I'm gonna quickly throw together a smoothie bowl because we also don't have a lot of food in the house. So I'm starting off with some Greek yogurt, and now I'm not measuring anything today. I'm just gonna measure with my heart. I'm gonna use some mixed berries today, protein powder, and some milk. I have all my toppings in this. This is where I'm going to pour this when it's time, because I don't want to accidentally spill it. So I've just got some granola, some nuts, and a few chocolate bits. I was going to put maple syrup, but now I'm realizing that I'm going to put well, I could put maple syrup in the dry, I guess. I'll just leave it. And then a banana as my pre-workout snack / my afternoon snack, because I'm going to get hungry at work. Y'all, it is gym time. I'm actually so proud of myself. I've gone to the gym every day so far this week, as I said I would. Tuesday to Friday. Monday I was driving home from the F1. Like, that was not gonna happen. I was so sleep deprived for that weekend. That was a big weekend. I think I'm gonna try and glutes today. I'm actually not sure. My hammies are a little sore from Wednesday's workout. I need to do the Stairmaster today, and I'm kind of nervy because I'm working out with Trouble, and I've never done the stairs while he's workout with him, because I don't normally do an hour and a half workout with someone else. Normally it's like an hour max. So oh my god, I missed this whole part again. The Stairmaster, if we do it, it's a maybe. I'm not gonna be mad if I don't do it, because I'm still proud of myself for coming to the gym. Anyways, I should go in and get started though, because the sooner I get started before he gets here, the more I get to do. Good morning. We are down at the river. We're gonna do the park run. I can't believe we actually got up. I'm also tempted to run in a crop and shorts, which I never do. I never wear a crop and shorts, ever. Trouble is currently stretching. I should probably get out the car. I'm so tired. My goal is about to run this in half an hour. That's my goal. I don't know if I've ever actually run it in half an hour. I also don't have my watch. It died and I forgot the charger. So I'm gonna have no idea. I'm gonna use the Strava app to track. But normally I would like run the first K, and when I hit 1K, if I'm like dead, I'd let myself walk for 500 meters, and then I'd force myself to run another K. I'm not gonna know, so I'm just gonna have to force myself to run. And I think Trouble's gonna run with me for the first lap and then just take off, because he used to be a sprinter. I haven't run also in over a year, like properly, I haven't done the 5K since January last year, and I ran a 10K last year, sort of ran a 10K, in also January of last year or Feb of last year. I'm gonna die, just a little bit. Oh, and I had half of this.
Will you join us, please?
What the fuck? A little toilet.
It doesn't fit the fucking table.
Okay, so Sunday was like such a chill day. Like, literally, it was raining, didn't leave the house. Trouble built his Lego. I edited while he did that. We watched some Drive to Survive. It was just very chill. We watched the F1 that night. Nobody mention the double disqualification for Ferrari, please. Keep it to yourselves. But yeah, that was pretty much my week. Whatever. If you liked this style of video, let me know in the comments below and whatnot. And yeah, until next time, because I know you'll be back. Bye.